Ever wondered why your stomach suddenly sounds like it's angry at you when you're hungry? That growling noise is called borborygmus, and it happens when your stomach and intestines contract to move food, liquid, and gas through your digestive system. When your stomach is empty, those sounds become much louder because there's no food to muffle them. It's basically your digestive system still doing its job, even when there's nothing left to process. So the next time your stomach embarrasses you in a quiet room, just know, it's completely normal. Follow for more facts like this.